Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So in this video we're talking about the upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 smartphone, but make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So the new update is coming on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and that the update is the Redmi Note 10 with the upcoming Dimensity A20 chipset benchmark. MediaTek is announcing a new chipset on a Monday. A Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 got certificated by Tina recently, and now the same phone has appeared on a Geekbench with an ASYT, unofficial MediaTek SoC, that the stars are aligning nicely, we reckon. About a dozen entries in the benchmark database feature the Xiaomi M204J7AC, the specific model number we saw in the Chinese regular listing, as well as in M204J7BC. The A model goes by a code name Atom, while the B one is called Bomb. So as you can see, this is the search result of the benchmark on your screen. So the both devices are powered by a MediaTek MT6875 chipset, which is unannounced SoC, and very likely the oft rumored Dimensity A20 that we are expecting in a couple of days. Its octa-core CPU base frequency is listed at 2.0 GHz in the benchmark files, while the Tina entries specific 2.6 GHz. But the second number could very well be the ceiling, that the chip will reach. Both versions seen on a Geekbench have 8 GB of RAM and run Android 10. The benchmark score have set it on around 640 units in the single core tested and 2600 units in the multi-core for the Bomb, with the Atom posting slightly lower multi-core figure in the 2400. Looking at our database, the new SoC result are just under Qualcomm last generation flagship Snapdragon 855. Not half bad. We expect to have more info on the MediaTek Dimensity A20 on today when it will go official. As for the Redmi Note 10, well, that one should likely follow very soon after. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 smartphone? Because the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and Note 9 is a really great smartphone nowadays in the market. Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. And guys, soon I will start a tips and tricks video on my channel, so you can watch the tips and tricks. So let me know in the comment section which kind of tips and tricks you want about the latest iPhone tips and tricks, or the latest Android, or the any other tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section. Also make sure to enable that bell notification so you do not miss my any uploaded video notification. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out, love you, bye bye.